So guys, this video I'm doing some fabrication. I'm going to be changing my exhaust, because the exhaust I got off from Honda Mini Sun for 60 bucks that he sells them for, they fell apart. And I'm going to replace it with some fabrication using this muffler. I'm going to cut and weld and put this muffler on. There's some good Chinese, and then there's really crappy Chinese. So make sure when you're buying a product, make sure it's the right product. I'm going to show you. This exhaust here just blew apart. Everything from the inside came out. This muffler reminds me of the Volkswagens back in the 90s. They used to have these big, like, chimney style exhaust pipes on it. Made all kinds of noise. Didn't go anywhere. So I'm going to take that off and fabricate it. Let's get started ripping the plastics and the seat off and get to the exhaust. You're going to need a star screwdriver. Next step, two 10 mils. Next, just remove the plastic and the seat all in one. Now you can see the very crappy Chinese exhaust that just is falling apart at the rivets. It rattles. I thought my motor was screwed up because it was making all kinds of noise, but then I realized this whole exhaust fell apart while I was riding. So I noticed my weld is cracked on the exhaust, so I'm gonna weld that up also. But let's get started taking this apart. So I'm gonna need a 12 I mean. Allen key off. Once again, this is the shittiest exhaust I have ever put on my bike. This is what I think of it. That's it, that's all. Now I need to figure out where the other one goes. So, I kind of already put a mark there. So I'm going to cut it right here. I'm going to cut this one right here. Then I'm going to weld them together. So I'm going to just cut it on the bike, just so I can do test trial. Well, let's see how it fits on. Oh yeah, like a glove. So my plan is to weld it right around here. So I'm going to clean up this weld. Start welding. This wire is thick. I love TIG welding. It's one of my favorite kind of welding. MIG is just too much messy and sparks and all the crap that comes with it. TIG is nice and clean. It's like cosmetic. Next step, I need to fabricate the hanger to hold the muffler. So this clamp is a little bit small, so I cut it. Now I'm going to join it. Make it smaller. There, now I got a tack. Try it out. Yep, that'll do it. Okay, now try it out. Oh, put it on the wrong way. So now I gotta put a couple tacks here because I know where it is now. And then I gotta undo the header and then fully weld it. Now remove the exhaust and fully weld it. So I had to unloosen my skid plate. I jammed a WD-40 can under here to get to the bolts because the skid plate was in the way. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. You know, I'm here for a long time. I broke my leg, my ankle actually, and I've been out of commission for a while, but now I'm going to start uploading videos again. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Show 50 channel support. More videos to come. Let's get to it. We have the exhaust welded. It's all done. Let's see how it fits. You know what, before I go further, I'm going to clean all my pants that have melted, my shorts melted on here, burned my leg a few times. Yeah, I'm going to clean this up. So, much better. A little bit of elbow grease and a grinder. This exhaust, this header was, this whole exhaust system was for a Z50R or any Z, and it doesn't fit on the CRF, so took the muffler to put on this pipe that's for the CRF, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. It's all done. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. bolting on my skid plate. Now time to put the plastic back on. So leave me a comment below which videos were your favorite. Give me 2 of your favorite videos. I'm interested. It gives me an idea. But I gotta thank you guys for showing me support. Breaking my ankle put me out of commission for a while, but I'm gonna take it easy. Start riding with my daughter now because she's loving it. So next is yeah, I'm just gonna do some trail riding with her to get her comfortable on the bike. I haven't rode downtown in a long time, so I plan to do one of those runs. I don't know when, but I'll figure it out. The moment of truth. Well, it definitely sounds more like a 450. This muffler does sound nice. More thump to it instead of a hollow can noise. Just gave you 13,000. Sounds pretty good though. This has 96 hours on this build. And it still runs strong. Check out Pete from Fabricating.com. He's the one that built the motor. It's a TB108 with a 4-speed and a 26mm Fabricating cart. It hauls ass. Well, let's see how the beast runs.